The Sport Max tires by Dunlop. So, don't mind the dirt. I've been driving the windows down. It's very polleny and dusty here. So, as you can tell, I have 15,000 miles on this car. It's a 2018 Subaru WRX. So, about a couple weeks ago, whatever, I went and got this car inspected, and I was told that my tires at 15,000 miles on the odometer, make sure that's a stated thing. I was told they are half-life and will have to be replaced this winter. Now, mind you, I live in the Northeast, so a third of my year is spent in snow, which means a third of my year I spent with winter tires on this car. This car right here. So that means, let's ballpark it here and say 2,000 miles a year that I've spent with this car on snows. So that's down to 11,000 miles. So that means if these tires are half-life, which that's what they told me, that means they have a 22,000 mile tread wear, which is, excuse my French, but bullshit. I understand they're summer sport tires, but you're not going to tell me that they wear out in 22,000 miles. Mind you, we'll get into it. So, I decided after that little inspection to, how am I going to say this? I emailed Subaru about it because obviously one way or the other. I think something about Twitter, and, posted something on Twitter and they said, email customer support. So, since I don't like talking on the phone with people, especially not sitting on hold, I emailed customer support, and I'm going to put a picture here and here for the two dates. It took them 13 days. I want to say 13 days before I got any reply about the email that I sent. Oh, well, good, Oh, well. I'm not super impatient. Maybe they're super busy. Maybe they have less people working. Whatever. But I got an email saying, yes, customer service has received your email, So 13 days go by, no answer. And, okay, sure, whatever. Then I get another email from somebody saying, oh, well, we just got your other email. It was either corrupted or it got deleted. It's not corrupted. There's no way in hell it got corrupted because I got an email back from you saying that you received it. So that's bullshit, for one. Two, if you deleted my email, that's pretty shitty customer service. Let's just say that right there. That's what it is. So they said, well, could you, please tell us what the other email said? So I just copy pasted the first email into the second email into the thread and said, here it is, Well, and while I'm doing that, I figure, hey, what I can do? I can be proactive about this. I'm going to email Dunlop about it. So I go to the Dunlop website, and they have a little, contact us form. Put my name in, They tell me, which I didn't know, and I think is pretty shitty. Again, I'm gonna be pretty honest about this whole situation. That tires you buy on cars, like if you buy a tire, or if you buy a car, the tires that are on it, so again, 2018 WRX, comes with the Dunlop Sport Maxes. Apparently, they don't warranty tires that come on cars. So they make tires, probably put the shitty ones on the cars, and they don't warranty them. That's really cool. That's a, really good money grab, business decision. Hey, let's just make some tires that aren't gonna last. We'll stick them on cars, and then people have to buy another set. Fix my dunks. Dunkin' Donuts. America runs on Dunkin'. Ooh, the sound of my people. I don't know if you can hear that, but so, Dunlop sends me an email saying we don't warranty tires. I'll I'll put pictures of the emails in here, so, you know, I'm paraphrasing everything so you can read them by yourself and get the whole story here. So then I get an email back from Subaru, from the customer service. This is now 16 days later after the first email. I believe it's 16 days. Again, I'll put emails, I'll put pictures all over, You can do the dates yourself. I think it's 16 days. At least it's over 2 weeks, whatever. I get an email from the guy saying, so-and-so, blah, blah, blah. You know, if you feel that, well, of course, you know, they do the whole, oh, there's many reasons why tire wear is different between, like, having them inflated correctly, they should be rotated, you know, all that kind of stuff, how you use them. Mind you, again, this is my daily, like, I drive it to work and back from work. Like, I don't track it, I don't race it, I don't off-road it or anything. It's literally just like, you know, normal streets back and forth, you know, easy driving. And again, they have 15,000 miles on the odometer, so at most they have 12,000 miles on the car, on the tires, which, again, I live in the Northeast, so a third of my year is spent on snow tires, which, mind you, during the summer, because I have a motorcycle, I don't drive this car in the summer, like, unless it's super hot, like 100 degrees and humid, or raining, which it was today, which it's not now. It's actually kind of pretty out, but, you know, for that reason, that's the only reason I drive this car. During the winter, because of snow and ice. During the summer, when it's super hot, or if my bike's being worked on, or if it's raining. So, they say, you know, in the email, oh, well, tires should be checked for tire pressure and they should be rotated generally. Mind you, I've only had 2 oil changes in this car, because it's every 6,000 miles. I'm not even on my 3rd oil change yet in this car. And so that means they should be checking them. They swapped my winters over to my summers, so they should be checking them then. So I should have known about it. If they were so badly worn, I should have known about it 4 months ago. And they say, oh, well, you should contact your service department to get, you know, about a warranty for the tires. So I'm sitting here thinking, well, one, the service department's the one that told me about the tires being worn. 2, they never said anything about a warranty for the tires. So 3, either they don't know that there should be one, or 4, they don't give a shit about it, because they know, hey, maybe he'll buy tires from us. There's another little, you know, grease the palms bullshit. So this whole thing is just really annoying to me. I understand tires wear. I'm not discounting that fact. That happens. I understand it. But it's pretty sad when the tire you buy on a car is apparently supposed to last 24,000 miles. That's nothing. That's less than, let's say you leased a car. The shortest lease you can have is 30,000 miles. So you're telling me that if you lease a car, like if you lease this car, that the tires on it will last less than the lease. So you have to buy tires to put on a car that you're not even going to keep, technically. You know, if you just lease it in the whatever it is, the 3 years, whatever you give it back, that means you have to buy tires for a car that you're not going to keep to give back to the dealership so they have better tires on it. Someone explain that to me. And maybe I'm wrong about this whole thing. Maybe Dunlop sees this and they go, huh, that is really bad. Maybe Subaru sees this and goes, huh, almost 2.5 weeks for customer service to get back to you saying that we may have deleted your email. Maybe they read that and go, huh, that's not so good. Maybe nobody sees this. Maybe everyone sees it. I don't know. I'm just trying to, you know, I'm just voicing my opinion here and telling you that, mind you, I love this car. Absolutely love this car. All-wheel drive system, great. Stick, awesome. I'm getting like 27 miles a gallon, so we're running out of storage here. Turbo, awesome. Manual, super fun. You know, I love this car. I absolutely love driving this car. But if I can't drive it literally because well, I can drive it however, I can drive it as much as I want. But if you're going to tell me that I have to, I have to put new tires on this thing after 20, well, as they told me, this is the funny thing too, as the dealership told me, you're going to need new tires by this winter. And I think, all I can think is, this lady doesn't know that there's no way in hell I'm running Sport Max summer tires in the winter in New England when we get, feet of snow at a time. Like, that same dealership was the one that swapped my winters to these summers. So they know somewhere in the computer there's got to be a record that I brought this car in and had them switch tires back to these tires. It's got to be there. I paid for it. Someone's got to know. But there's no way you're going to tell me that I can only get 20,000 miles, 24,000, 25,000 miles out of these tires, and that's like okay. That's one, super cheap. Two, either these tires were bad or made wrong or whatever. Three, if you don't warranty tires that you make, that's pretty shitty. Four, again, Subaru, come on. 2.5 weeks for a deleted email. Bullshit. Someone just didn't want to deal with it and tried to push it off. That's my guess here. So again, you'll see all the pictures of the emails, whatever. I'm gonna do that, and then, yeah. Tell me what you think below. Type in the comments if you have any problems, with stuff like this before, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.